Hello everyone. In Java, an array list is a dynamic size container that holds a variable number of elements of a specific data type. It is similar to an array, but it can grow or shrink in size as elements are added or removed. ArrayList is the part of the Java collection framework and provides methods for adding, removing, and manipulating elements and support features like iterating, sorting, and searching elements. ArrayList is an implementation of the list interface and allows duplicate null values and is ordered, which means the order of the elements in the array list is the order in which they were added. As a Java developer, almost everyone uses an array list. In this video, I am going to discuss 5 methods which are not commonly used, but those are extremely useful in Java coding. So let us get started. Alright, the first example is binary search on array list. Okay, so what is binary search? Okay, so binary search is a search algorithm that works by repeatedly dividing the search interval in half. It efficiently finds the position of a target value with a sorted array by comparing the target value to the middle element of the array. If the target value is not equal to the middle element, the algorithm narrows down the search interval to the half in which target value may lie and repeats the process until the target value is found or the search interval is empty. Okay, this is short about binary search. Say if you want to learn about the binary search, I'm not going to discuss much about the binary search, but whenever you want to search something in a given array list, efficiently without using the for loop, I feel this is one of the very useful methods that can be used to find an element. Basically, it gives the return backs the index of that particular element. Okay, let me go to the Eclipse and show you how it works. So example 1. Okay, so I have array list. Okay, and randomly I have added some integer 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, and then you can see that collections dot binary search, and I have passed this list and I'm trying to find the element 30. Okay, so this is in which position, again array list, the starting position of the index is 0, so all the elements will be stored as a kind of indexed which starts from 0. Okay, so if we count from 0, 1, 2, so this should return 2. Okay, so it will give 2. If I try to search 10, it should return 0 because it is on 0th position. Say that 50. Okay, index is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Say that I am giving something which is not in the list, element not found. Okay, so in case if the element is not found, it should return -1. Okay, so let me print that as well. Anyway, it is giving something minus. Okay, so it is not -1, but if something is minus, that means that element is not found in the list. Remember one thing, this list is sorted 10, 20, 30, 40. So the criteria for binary search is that the elements in an array should be sorted. If it is not sorted, this binary search is not going to work. So that is the limitation. So how you can sort an array? Say that you got some array which is not sorted. So what you can do, you can sort it and then you can do binary search on that particular array. Okay, so in that way that you can do the binary search. Okay, so let me, what I do, so that it is not sorted, I'm just making it unsorted. Now if I try to find out, say that 30, so we may not get the appropriate result, although that it is available. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, say that we got so basically what I'm saying, the meaning of, the main purpose of binary search is optimization. Say that we have so many elements, say that 1,000 elements, and if you use that for loop, it may take longer time, but in binary search it will take less time. It will find out the element efficiently. Okay, so remember one thing, before doing that, before applying this binary search, you can do this one, collections sort list. You can do this. Okay, now element found at index 2. Okay, so if it is sorted, what will happen, 20 will go to the 10 will go to the first, then 20, and then 30. So 0, 1, 2, so it will be 2. All right, so next example, add all method. This can be used to duplicate an array list and can be used to merge multiple array list. Okay, so let me show you in Eclipse. I have a original list which contains 10, 20, and 30. Okay, then I created another new list, and in that new list I'm adding add all from the original list. So what will happen, it will copy everything from original list to the new list. Okay, and if you run it, you can see that original list is 10, 20, 30, and the new array list is this one. Okay, the next example is retain all. Okay, so for this we have a method called retain all, and this can be used to find common elements also. Okay, so let me go to the Eclipse and show you this retain all method. Okay, I have two array lists, list 1 and list 2. In list 1 I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in list 2 we have 2, 4, 5. Say that I want all the elements from list 2 should be retained in list 1. So list 1 dot retain all. So in list 1 will retain all the elements from list 2. Okay, what we have, 2, 4, 5. Okay, so if I run it, retain all true, 2, 4, 5. So this can be also looked in different way, finding common elements. So what is the common elements between these two lists? So we have 2, 4, 5 in common. Okay, so say that I am going to give 6, and here in list 1 we don't have 6, and let me see what it returns. See, still it shows 2 4 5. Now say I'm giving 6 here, so we have common what? 2 4 5 6, so it should give 2 4 5 6. That's cool, right? Okay, so the next example is sublist. Say that we have a list and we want to get sublist from that list. Okay, so this is very simple, few lines of code. Okay, we have a sublist method. We have a list which contains some fruits name, and after that, see, sublist 1 2 3, so it is the index. So we are creating a sublist which from a given list, and see, you can see that we have a list and apple is in 0 position, so 0 1 2 3. Okay, so 1 2 3, so we'll get only these elements in the sublist. Okay, now let I don't want to set right now, let me see. Okay, okay, sublist banana and cherry. Okay, so 1 2 3. Remember, the last index will be all the time, it will be excluded. So the first index is included and the last index it will be excluded. Okay, this is exclusive and this one is inclusive. Okay, so 1 2 2. If I give 4, something like this, what will happen? It will start from here 1 2 3 and it will end here, and we'll get banana cherry date. And say that we want after sublist we want to set some elements, say in 0 orange, and in second position 2. You can see that. Convert an array list to array. Okay, we have again a list of fruits and we want to convert this list to array list. Okay, so list has 2 array method, and there you need to do a little bit of tweak and these things that you need to put. Okay, so we need to give we need to create array list with size. I mean, this is not array list, we need to create it in since we are keeping string in the array list and 2 array, inside that we are saying that create an string array of size how many? 1 2 3 4. Okay, create string array of size 4, and that's it. So after that it will be, so this is iteration, and if you run this code, okay, apple banana cherry and date. So that's it for this video. I know that most of the time as a Java developer, they don't use these methods commonly. Okay, but I feel that these methods are really very useful in many cases. Okay, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Let us see you in next video. Okay, see you.